What's that? You did no revision over half term? Yeah. Don't worry, neither did anyone else. After this video, you're going to know everything you need to about the two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. This will be a speed run. Make sure you save this so you can watch it again before your biology paper 2. Starting with mitosis. Mitosis is the type of cell division used for growth and repair. These are the key steps. You see, you start with a normal cell, 2N representing that it's a diploid cell, has a full set of DNA. That DNA then replicates to give you 4N, and then the cell divides into 2. When it does so, it produces 2 identical daughter cells, both of which are diploid cells, which means they contain a full set of DNA, just like the original cell. So basically, it's just cloning the original cell, and that's why it's brilliant for growth and repair. The other type of cell division is meiosis. This one is used to produce gametes. Gametes are sex cells. It's really important that our gametes are haploid cells, meaning they contain half of the full set of DNA. That's because during fertilization, when those gametes come together, we need to restore that full set of DNA. So the gametes need to have half and half of the full set. And here's the process. Again, we start with a normal cell. The DNA is replicated just like mitosis, and that cell divides into 2. We're now currently at the same amount of DNA as you would have in a normal cell. However, with meiosis, these cells will then divide into 2 again, and this produces 4 genetically different haploid gametes. Did you hear that? I said 4 genetically different, genetically unique gametes. That's why if you've got a brother or a sister, you're not identical to them, because the gametes that made you are slightly different to the gametes that made your brother or sister. Quickly then, we'll summarize all of the differences. Mitosis is used for growth and repair. The cells only divide once in mitosis. The daughter cells which are produced are genetically identical to the parent cell, and it's 2 daughter cells that we produce. And mitosis can occur all over your body. This growth and repair happens everywhere. Meiosis, on the other hand, is used to produce gametes, which are sex cells. In meiosis, the cell divides twice. Each of those gametes produced are genetically different from each other and from the parent cell. They are haploid cells. That means they contain half of the full set of DNA. During meiosis, we produce 4 daughter cells, and meiosis happens in those reproductive organs. If we're talking about animals, in the testes or ovaries. That's a reasonably common paper 2 topic. Make sure you've got it on lock, and if you haven't, save this so you can watch it again. If you found that useful, that's worth a follow. Smash the like button, give me a comment, and have a lovely day.